Imagine being able to share your perfect shot, or that incredible bird sighting, in real time, without ever taking your eye off the target. This Starboosa adapter promises exactly that, and then some. What truly sets this upgraded version apart is its ingenious dual viewpoint capability. You see, most adapters force you to choose. Either you're looking through the scope, or your phone is recording. But with this, you can actually use your phone camera to observe the scope's view from a comfortable 90-degree angle, while simultaneously being able to look directly through the scope eyepiece yourself to aim. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to record their outdoor adventures without compromising their primary focus. The versatility here is genuinely impressive. Whether you're rocking an older iPhone 5 or a newer, wider smartphone, as long as it's between 58 and 100 wide, you're good to go. And it's not just phones. The mount itself is designed to fit almost any eyepiece with an outer diameter from 33 to 46 mm. That covers everything from simple rifle scopes to those with tricky knobs or even curved designs. They've really thought about compatibility, which is a huge relief. Now let's talk about the build. This isn't some flimsy plastic contraption. It's crafted from durable, well-anodized aluminum, giving it a premium feel and robust strength. And here's a detail I really appreciate. The screws that connect to your eyepiece are made of nylon plastic. This means you don't have to worry about scratching up your expensive scope. Plus, the multiple screw fixing method ensures everything stays rock-solid stable, even during active use. Your phone is also protected, cradled by a soft material, so no scratches there either. They even considered the exit pupil distance, which can be a real headache with some scopes. This adapter is fully compatible with most mainstream distances, and if you happen to have a unique scope that needs a bit more length, Starboosa offers an extension tube kit. It's clear they've tried to cover all bases. For hunters, birdwatchers, or anyone into outdoor shooting, being able to capture and instantly share those moments, whether it's a precise shot or a rare bird, without interrupting your observation, is incredibly valuable. It truly bridges the gap between traditional optics and modern digital sharing. So, if you're looking for a robust, versatile, and genuinely innovative way to connect your smartphone to your rifle scope, especially if that dual-angle viewing sounds appealing, this Starboosa adapter is a fantastic piece of kit. It delivers on its promises, making your outdoor shooting and observation experiences richer and more shareable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.